Hi, our friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a lab today. So to start with, we are going to have a line coming across like so. And then it's going to drop down like that. And then under that line, we're going to draw a curvy line like so, with kind of a V underneath. Then we're going to put a little earpiece here and a little eye right here. And we're going to leave a little light in it. Then we're going to have a little line coming like that and another line coming like that. And then from the nose, we're going to have kind of a C that kind of comes around like that. And that is the face, and he's looking this way, or she. And we can connect that. There we go. All right. Then we're going to drop back like this in a diagonal, come back down about where this is, and then we're going to curve it back up, and it's going to kind of wrap around like that. And there's his other ear. Then we're going to put the other eye over here. Put a circle, leave a little light. Oh, he's cute. All right, then we're going to draw the side of his chest. It's going to come out from his ear like that. Then it's going to drop down like so. And then we're going to have his paw like that. And it's going to come back, and then it's going to come up. There we go. And we're going to have his little chest right here, and we're going to have another paw coming in here, and it's going to come up, drop back down, and come up. So that's his front paw. Then we're going to have a line that comes back and down, and that's his back and his hind leg. And we're going to have a little tail there. Then we're going to draw a number 2, just like that. And we're going to draw some little dog feet, and that's going to come back up like so, and we'll kind of round that around there for his bottom. Then we have another little foot that's sticking out right here, and then we have his tummy right here. There we go, and there is a lab. Let's put him on the floor. There you go.